was rockets.
Right, line, on my line here. Aiming at the Rocketeers.
Oh god, that rocket's pretty close.
Ready, aim, and fire.
Oh, Jetro got one.
Reload and move
It
forward.
should go over our heads.
Down to the last man on the rockets. Cloud here. These are bad men, he's right. Might be a victory for the French here. It's going to be close. Go on, Outlaw Wolf, lads.
He did you see that? Oh, that's a bad guy.
He got one. Fire! Oh, lucky devils. Right, pull back, reload. We'll wait for them to be expose themselves. Oh!
We must go on the goal, boys. All right. We must be strong for him. Okay, they push forward. We're going to push forward over the river.
Come back, man.
Oh, actually, on this line, straight ahead. Aim and fire.
Oh no.
I don't know.
And push back to where we were. Push back where we were.
Forwards.
And who's taking my line?
Up.
Oh no, they're falling back.
Outlaw Wolf.
Straight ahead. Top of the heads. Aim and fire. Pull back
No
to
luck
reload.
there. This British line's now going to push up. If they'd have waited just a moment, they could have got a good shot, but they didn't know. British line's going to get the jump on them now because they're hidden behind their own smoke. Oh no!
Stay there for a
The
moment.
Brits are just choosing to ignore them.
Oh, back on the line. Back
They've
on
just
the line.
completely ignored them,
Aim
look.
at the line that's just been made. And fire.
Oh fuck.
Nice. The Brit officer literally looked at them and then put his line up there anyway.
Doctor.
Oh, rocket.
Right, pull to the left with me, to the north. Oh, careful! Ow.
Dead. Jake is dead. Jake is dead.
Protect your doctor.
On me.
God damn it.
Those sticks are going to be really good at anti-cav. If the sergeants are able to use them. For some reason, you thought a pike would win over a horseman. Don't be stupid, Outlaw Wolf. Fuck me, I can tell you're new. Imagine. Ah! I caught the explosive with my chest.
Alright, on me, guys.
Absolute nightmare so far.
To the right, use the rockets best we can.
Dead again. So sad.
Let's just get as
Toxic.
close to range as possible. On my shoulders. Take aim. Bomb reticle just below the grass. And
Need to fire quickly before they do. Oh, it wasn't a good one, sadly. The shots went... Oh, that was very unlucky. Look at that. They're going to fire back now. They've got rocks to somewhat hold. Oh, the rocks saved them. Look at that. Oh, it didn't save them.
On my shoulders.
Sorry.
Return fire.